Welcome to the introduction and demonstration video of Home Stylizer. Home Stylizer is a powerful application that not only enables you to present your furniture items as high-detailed 3D models to your valuable clients, but also, it enables you to fully customize the item right in front of your clients in real time. In this video, we will learn about the basic controls and features of Home Stylizer. This is the main menu from where we access all the modules of the software. There are total 3 program modules: Showroom, Furniture Layout Builder, and ArcViz Projects. In this video, we will be covering the first module here called Showroom. Showroom is the 3D product catalog of all your furniture products, where all the items are not only presented in high-detailed 3D models, but are also completely customizable in real time. Let's see how it works. This is the furniture browser window. It enables you to browse through your product catalogs. This is the Catalogs tab. It allows us to select a specific catalog to browse through. This here is the Filter tab that allows us to filter out and show only the chosen category of furniture. Clicking on any of the furniture pictures will open the furniture in the viewport. Search bar here allows us to search for specific furniture items by typing the furniture name. The furniture browser window can be reopened by clicking on this icon. Now let's quickly see the mouse controls to view the furniture item. Press down left mouse button and move the mouse to rotate the furniture. Press down right mouse button and move the mouse to move the furniture. Use mouse wheel to zoom in and out to view the furniture and fabrics in detail. Click the middle mouse button to reset the view back to normal. The mouse controls help can be found here by clicking on this icon, just in case if we need to refer back to it in the future. Now let's see how to customize a furniture. Left-click on the furniture to open the customization menu. These are the part-wise customization options of this particular furniture. The customization options will be different for each furniture, depending on the total customizable parts in the particular furniture. Here we can see that the chair has customizable fabric parts and a wooden part, and these are the current fabric and wood choices applied on the furniture. Clicking on the current choice will show us all the available alternatives. These are all the available fabric options. Clicking on one will instantly show the change in the viewport. Same way, these are all the available wood polish options. By repeating the same simple steps, we can customize the whole furniture piece. For the purpose of mood boarding, we can also create our own dummy fabric library by clicking on Custom Colors. And then clicking on New Custom Color. This will open the RGB color wheel and NCS color palette. Either of these options can be used to create a new custom color fabric. And this is how we can easily customize any furniture product from the catalogs. Now let's quickly go through a few tools which can help us visualize our customized furniture. This auto-rotate icon here is useful for turning auto-rotation mode on or off to view the furniture from all the sides, without actually having to rotate it manually. Here on the left side, we have Light Temperature panel, which helps us visualize the effect of different temperature lights on the fabric's color shades. And down here, we have the background panel to change the background color for visually comparing the furniture against dark gray or white backgrounds. Now, for the purpose of sharing this personalized furniture item with the client, we can take snapshots of it by clicking on the screenshot icon over here. Home Stylizer will take around 10 seconds to generate a high-resolution snapshot image of the furniture, and will save it on the hard disk at the location displayed on the screen. Let's take a few screenshots from different angles to send to the client. Here we can see that all the screenshots are saved as high-resolution images in the Screenshots folder on the hard disk. These snapshot images then can be sent to the prospective client easily through email or WhatsApp. This concludes the introduction and demonstration of SHOWROOM module. In the next part, we will be looking into Furniture Layout Builder module and ArcViz module.